So, Srila Prabhupada, of course, is a very Vaishnava system. Vaishnava is supposed to keep his sentiments confidential as far as possible. Sometimes looking grave, that's the only way one can stop from revealing different type of symptoms, which would not be appropriate. Of course, people don't realize what is a real standard of happiness. Real happiness is complete, right down to the depth of one's heart. So, all this type of good fortune, being fearless, having a nice facility of happiness, even in material life, and complete satisfaction of the self, all this is possible by Yogamaya. But who is Yogamaya giving that shelter to? She's giving that shelter to those who are the devotees of Krishna. Daiva prakriti astritam. Those who are under the protection of the divine nature. Yogamaya, those are the Mahatmas, or the great souls who are surrendered to Krishna. So if one wants to get that divine shelter, then one has to surrender to Krishna.